contrast.
Very good. Contrast ማለት ተጻራሪ ሐሳብ ማለት እዩ። Okay? Contrast.
Contrast.
Good. Actions.
Actions.
እስከበላ actions.
Actions.
Action cards ከምዚ ክንብሎ ፀናሕና I study English, I play football, I sleep, I eat breakfast. ዝኩሉ actions እዩ።
Actions.
Okay, መን ክንሪና but እስከበላ but ኣብቲ ስክሪን ትሪላ and so ትሪላ ምሻ ስክሪን
but okay, yeah.
Okay. But and so ዜን ከዓ ብኸመይ ንጥቀመለን ክንርኢ ኢና ንኣብነት ጎል ናትካ ትዛረብ እሞ ዕላማ ናትካ ማለት እዩ ግን ኢልካ ከምዚ ከዓ የብለይን ትብል እቲ ዕላማይ ከምዚ እዩ ግን ከዓ ከምዚ ከዓ የብለይን ንኣብነት ቢዝነስ ክኸፍት ደልየ ግን ገንዘብ የብለይን Can you try? ፈትና ደልየ ትፈልጣ ኢኻ ደልየ
I wanted to start business.
Very good. I want to start a business.
I wanted to start business.
Okay.
But I don't have money.
Very good. I want to start a business, but I don't have money.
Yeah.
Very good. Business, but I don't have money. Very nice. It's a book.